Hello everyone, I am Trupti Pandya and today I will be teaching you Mathematics of Standard 4th. In previous lecture we completed our revision of chapter number 1 up to page number 7, Building with Bricks. Today let us start page number 8. Page number 8, question number 1. Have you seen bricks that look like triangles? Have you seen bricks that look like triangles? Answer: yes. I have seen bricks that look like triangles on both the sides of footpath in municipal garden. If a tree is there, around the trees their brick arrangement is there, and in this brick arrangement there is a triangle shape bricks are there, and both the sides of a footpath there is a municipal garden. All these places there is a arrangement of bricks in a triangle shape. Question number 1. Do you see the arc in this photo? In our textbook there is one photo is given and ask the question that do you see the arc in this photo? Yes, I can see the arc in this photo. Now page number 4. Second question. Have you seen arcs in a bridge? If there is a bridge is there in this bridge you can see the arcs in a bridge. Yes, I have seen arcs in a bridge. Arcs mean curved arrangement of the bricks. It is called arcs in a bridge. Where else have you seen an arc? Answer: we can see arcs in rainbow, cave, bridge, tunnel, palaces, etc. So in these places we can able to see the arc because there is a arrangement is given in a curved way. Now page number 9. A special arc. Isn't the jali of this window beautiful? Picture given in textbook page number 9. In our textbook page number 9 one picture is given, and from this picture they ask the question that isn't the jali of this window beautiful? Yes, answer is there. Yes, the jali of this window is beautiful. Second question. Have you ever seen thin bricks? Have you ever seen thin bricks? Answer: yes, I have seen thin bricks in the window of old buildings, castles, palaces, etc. When there is old buildings are there, in these old buildings there is a thin bricks are there, and castles is there, palaces is there. In these buildings there is a thin bricks are used. Now page number 10. Question number 1. Answer the question on the basis of the picture given below. First one. Which of these bricks have curved edges? In our textbook some bricks is given, and in these bricks there is a 1 to 8 bricks is there. So here we have to give the answer. Brick number 1 and 2 have curved edges. Second question. How many faces do you see of the longest brick? Answer: I can see 2 faces of the longest brick. Next question. Is there any brick which has more than 6 faces? Yes, brick number 3 has more than 6 faces, because in brick number 3 there are this is 1, 2 and 3. In this third number brick there is a 2 parties there, and so there is a more than 6 faces are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This way 8 bricks picture is given, and so from this picture we have to give this answers. Now answer. Following are the bricks with curved edges. We can see only two faces of the longest brick. If longest brick is there, then we see two faces of the longest brick, 1 and 2. Question number 2. Find out the size of a brick. When we measure this brick, the length, breadth and height, then there is a take one brick and measure it. How long is it? It is 22 centimeter long. How wide is it? It is 10 centimeter wide. Wide means breadth. Breadth of the brick is 10 centimeter. How high is it? It means what is the height of the brick? It is 7 centimeter. So length 22 centimeter, breadth 10 centimeter and height 7 centimeter. This is the measurement of one brick. Now next question, question number 3. Munia wants to make a wall 1 meter long. How many bricks will she need to put in a line? Let the length of a brick be 10 centimeter. So length of wall is equal to 1 meter. As the length of brick in centimeter, the length of the wall will be converted to centimeter for calculation. So we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Length of wall in centimeter, 1 into 100 centimeter is equal to 100 centimeter. If Munia want to make the wall of 1 meter, it means 100 centimeter is there, because our measurement of brick is given in centimeter. So we convert this 1 meter into centimeter. So it is the 100 centimeter. Number of brick required to make 100 centimeter long wall is equal to length of wall divided by length of one brick. So 100 divided by 10 is equal to 10. If we take the 22 centimeter, then 22 centimeter is into 5 or 4 is there, then 88 centimeter is there. But we need 100 centimeter, so 100 divided by 10 is equal to 10 bricks. So the number of bricks required to make 1 meter long wall is equal to 10. Bricks and bricks, hot and fresh. Page number 10. Can you guess how high is the chimney here? Is it about 5 meters, about 15 meters, about 50 meters? Here the picture of a chimney is given, and see the height of the chimney is bigger than the tree, and so it is not a 5 meter, not a 15 meter, but it is about 50 meters. The chimney shown in the picture is about 50 meters high. Now page number 11. Question number 1. Here are 4 pictures from the brick kiln. These pictures are jumbled up. Look at them carefully. Where the bricks are prepared, this place is called kiln. And these pictures are jumbled up. So look at them carefully and write the correct order. A. Here, arrange the bricks in a line. Picture B. Here, unmolded the brick from the molding. D. Here, this boy keep the mud inside the molding, means making the mold. And here in picture C, they prepare the mud for the brick. So correct order is C, because first they prepare the mud for the brick, Afterward, they keep the mud inside the mold. Afterward, in picture B, they unmolded the brick, and afterward, in last A, they arrange the brick and make a line. So C, D, B, A is the correct order. C. Prepare the mud. D. Molded the mud inside the mold. Unmold the mud outside and make the brick. And afterward, arrange in a line all the bricks. So this way, correct answer is C, D, B and A. Now, page number 12. Question number 1. Mental math. Bhajan buys bricks. Here, one person Bhajan want to buy a bricks. Bhajan went to buy bricks. The price was given for 1000 bricks. The price were also different for different type of bricks. Here, old bricks rupees 1200 for 1000 bricks. New bricks from Intapur. This is the first type of brick is there, old brick. And price of this old brick is rupees 1200 for 1000 bricks. Second type of brick is new bricks from Intapur. Rupees 1800 for 1000 bricks. And third, new bricks from Brickabad. Rupees 2000 for 1000 bricks. Bhajan decided to buy the new bricks from Brickabad. He bought 3000 bricks. How much did he pay? Here, new bricks from Brickabad, the price of 1000 brick is 2000 rupees. So 1000 bricks is equal to 2000 rupees. Then 3000 bricks is equal to how much? So answer part. Bhajan bought new bricks from Brickabad. Cost of one new brick from Brickabad is equal to 2000 divided by 1000 is equal to 2 rupees. One brick's cost is 2 rupees. So cost of one brick is equal to 2 rupees. So cost of 3000 bricks is equal to how much? New brick brought from Brickabad is equal to 2 into 3000 is equal to rupees 6000. So this way, from the one brick, first we find out the cost of one brick, and afterward we multiply this 2 rupees with the total 3000 bricks. So this way, first we find out the cost of one brick, and afterward multiply the total brick brought by the Bhajan. This way we find out rupees 6000, the cost of 3000 bricks. Now, guess what he will pay if he buys 500 old bricks. Old bricks price is given old bricks price is given 1200 rupees for 1000 bricks. But here, Bhajan want to buy 500 old bricks. Bhajan bought 500 old bricks and the cost of 1000 old bricks is rupees 1200. So we have to find out the cost of 500 old bricks, which is half of 1000 bricks. Cost of 1000 bricks is equal to rupees 1200. So cost of 500 old bricks is equal to how much? 1200 divided by 2 is equal to rupees 600. Thus, the cost of 500 old bricks is equal to rupees 600. The cost of 500 old bricks is equal to rupees 600. So this way, revision is over. Chapter number 1, building with bricks. Here, one question is that there is a measurement of bricks is given, and From this measurement, we have to find out the 1 meter long wall. Sometimes they keep the 22 centimeter length and arrange the bricks and said that 4 bricks needed for 1 meter long wall. But 22 into 4 is equal to 88 centimeter is there, and we need 100 centimeter to make the 1 meter long wall. So we take this measurement of 10 centimeter and 100 divided by 10 is equal to 10 bricks needed. So this way we make the working. So our chapter number 1, building with brick, is all the question answer completed. Now tomorrow we will start the revision of chapter number 2. Thank you very much.